Hello, kids. Today we will be reading Dottie's Hopscotch by Ashley Madden. The book is beautifully illustrated by Chariz Elaine. Dottie loves to play tag and foursquare. She also loves playing hopscotch with her friend Marley. One day, Marley looks sad. She doesn't want to play hopscotch. "What's wrong, Marley?" Dottie asks. "We're moving," Marley says. "Tomorrow is my last day here." "I don't know anybody at my new school," Marley says. "Who will I play with?" Dottie pats Marley's back. That night at dinner, Dottie's brother notices that she isn't eating much. "Is everything okay, Dot?" he asks. "My friend Marley is moving," Dottie explains. "I'm going to miss her. And she's scared that she won't make new friends." Brother says, "Tell me why Marley is your friend." "She tells funny stories. And she's good at hopscotch. And she always shares her snacks," Dottie says. "Those are the reasons she'll make new friends," Brother says. Then he juggles 3 dinner rolls to make Dottie smile. That night, Dottie makes Marley a card. "You're a great friend. That's why I know you'll make new friends." The next day, everybody in the class signs Marley's card. After school, Marley's friends give her the card. They hug her goodbye. Dottie walks home. She feels a little bit sad, but she's happy that she helped Marley feel better. The next day, Dottie doesn't want to play tag or foursquare. She still feels sad. Then she sees a hedgehog sitting alone. "Hi," she says. "I'm Dottie." "I'm Bobby," the hedgehog replies. "I'm new here." Dottie smiles. "Do you like hopscotch?" she asks. The end.